In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. Whether you're organizing a team discussion, a client meeting, or simply catching up with friends, knowing how to seamlessly set up a meeting in Google Meet can be a game changer. Let's go through this process step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Meet homepage. You can find it easily by entering Google Meet into your search bar, or by typing in the direct URL meet.google.com. Once you're on the Google Meet landing page, you'll find that the layout is quite straightforward, designed to provide you with various options to quickly initiate your meeting. Now let's move on to the next step. Once you're on the Google Meet page, you'll notice a prominent button labeled New Meeting. Click on it. This is where you'll set the wheels in motion for your upcoming meeting. It's a handy feature providing multiple options, making it very versatile depending on your meeting needs. The next option you'll encounter is Schedule in Google Calendar. Click this selection, and as you do so, you'll be redirected to Google Calendar. It's fantastic because Google Calendar integrates perfectly with Google Meet, allowing you to plan all the details in one generous sweep. Now let's dive into the scheduling itself. In Google Calendar, you are presented with fields to fill in the specifics of your meeting. Give your meeting a name, something that aptly describes the occasion or purpose. Then choose the date and time for the meeting, ensuring it suits all intended participants. It's always a good idea to double check everyone's availability at this stage if possible. Furthermore, you have the option to adjust the meeting's duration, location, if applicable for any physical elements, and add a detailed description or agenda. This info provides clarity for your invitees, ensuring they know exactly what to expect. After you have entered all the details, the crucial last step is to click Save. Do not overlook this action, it finalizes your newly created event and confirms it on your calendar. Once saved, Google Calendar automatically generates a Google Meet link which can be shared with your participants. That's it. Your meeting is now successfully scheduled in Google Meet. With these steps, arranging virtual gatherings has become incredibly convenient, allowing you to efficiently organize your day and coordinate with others seamlessly. Whether it's for professional engagements or casual hangouts, you can now rely on Google Meet to deliver an easy and reliable way to connect. Thank you for spending this time with me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.